Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Hello everyone. So now we are going to discuss questions on HCF. So here in this question we have to find the HCF of this following numbers which are given to us. The first one is 18 and 48. So how we were finding it, we will first express them as the product of prime numbers. Let's do that. 2 nines are 18, then 3 threes are 9. Okay, and 3 ones are 3. If we talk about 48, we'll start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Then again dividing with 2 we get 12. Again dividing with 2 we get 6. Then 2 threes are 6, like this. So I can write 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. And we can write 48 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is how we write. Now what do you think? How do we find the HCF? We have to find the highest common factor. So we will first take out the common ones. Okay, for HCF we will take out the common one, that is the prime factor which is there in both the numbers. So 2 and 3 both are there in both of them. 2 and 3. Now you have to take 2 when it is coming minimum number of time. How many times will you take 2? Minimum number of time it is occurring. So 2 is occurring one time here and 4 time here. So we will take it one time. So after 2, 3. 3 is coming 2 times here and 3 is coming one time here. So we will take it just one time. So we are going to find the HCF, that is 2 into 3, it is 6. This is how we calculate. So what you will do? Just take out the common factor and you will take it how many times? Minimum number of time it is occurring, that particular times you are going to pick it up. Okay, let's practice one more question. So if I go with the second part only, 30 and 42. Okay, so let's do it. So we can discuss 2 to 3 questions where 2 numbers are given and 2 to 3 questions where 3 numbers are given. So in the first it is 30. I'll divide it with 2, we'll get 15. Then not with 2, with 3. 3 fives are 15. Okay, and 5 ones are 5. Here when I divide with 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Then 3 sevens are 21 and then 7. Okay, so for 30 the prime factors are 2 into 3 into 5, and for 42 the prime factors are 2 into 3 into 7. So HCF will be, first of all, what are the common factors? 2 is a common factor and 3 is a common factor. 5 and 7 are coming. 5 is coming in one, 7 is coming in another. 5 is not coming in both of them. So we will just pick up the common factors. So 2 is coming minimum one number of time and 3 is also coming one number of time. So 2 into 3, again we are getting the value of HCF as 6. Got it? Then let us do one more question. Okay, we will try this part number. Suppose we take D part. Okay, let's take the D part now. So I hope you can attempt C part and E part, F part yourself. It is the same as we have discussed first and second. So we have 27 and 63. 27 we can express as, we will divide first with 3. 3 nines are 27. Then again with 3, 3 threes are 9, and then we get 1. With 63, we know it will divide it with 3, not with 2. So 3 twos are 6 and 3 ones are 3. Then we get 3 sevens are 21. Okay. So 27 can be expressed as 3 into 3 into 3. And 63 can be expressed as 3 into 3 into 7. So 3 is the common factor in both of them. 7 is just in one. So we will not take 7. So 3 is coming one time, 2 times. Okay, 2 times it is common. That means 3 is coming 3 times in 27 and 3 is coming 2 times in 63. So we will take it 2 times. We take it minimum number of times. So we get 9 as the HCF value. So for this one, the HCF of 27 and 63 is 9. Let us practice one or two questions where we are given with 3 numbers. How do we go with that? So here is the one. Let's try with G part. Okay, the number is 70, 105 and 175. Let's do with 70 first. Okay, so pay attention now. With 70 when we do, we start with 2. 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. then it will not be divided with 3 and 4, then it will be divided with 5, 5 sevens are 35 and 7 ones are 7. Then we come to 105. It will not be divisible with 2, but yes with 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. Again 35 is there, so 5 sevens are 35 and 7 ones are 7. Now students, we have 175. Can you divide it with the 2? No, with 3. So 3 fives are 15, then you are left with 2, that makes it 25, not divisible. It will divisible by 5. 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 30, 5 fives are 25. Then we get 35, so 5 sevens are 35. Okay, so 70 can be written as 2 into 5 into 7. These are the three prime factors. 105 can be written as 3 into 5 into 7. And 175 can be written as 5 into 5 into 7. So what do you see? The common factors we have to take out first. So 2 is not in all of them. 3 is not in all of them. We see 5 and 7, they are in all of them. So 5 is coming one time here, and 2 time here. So we will take 5 one times. And 7 is coming just one time. So 5 into 7 is 35. 35 will be the HCF of 70, 105 and 175. This is how we find out HCF when we are given three numbers. So let us practice one more question where we have been given three numbers. Let's pick up this one then, I part. So let's write down. In the I part, the numbers are 18, 54 and 81. So starting with 18, I will start with 2. 2 nines are 18, then 3 threes are 9. Very simple. 54 you start with 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, then 3 nines are 27, then 3 threes are 9. With 81 when you start, can you divide with 3? Definitely it is an odd number, so it will not be divisible with 2. With 3 we will start. 3 twos are 6, 2 is left, 3 sevens are 21. Then 3 nines are 27 and 3 threes are 9. Like this we will get. So 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 54 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So HCF will be the common numbers first. You take out the common numbers. 2 is coming here and here but not in the third one. So 2 is not a common factor. 3 is a common factor. Here it is coming 2 times. Here 3 times and here 4 times. We will take it minimum number of times. We will take it 2 times. So the HCF of 18, 54 and 81 is 9. Clear? So other parts you can solve, and in the same way just take the common factors minimum number of times in case of HCF. Moving ahead, they're asking what is the HCF of two consecutive numbers. So we are asked about the HCF of two consecutive numbers, two consecutive even numbers and two consecutive odd numbers in this question. So let us first go with the first part that says HCF of two consecutive numbers. Let us take any two consecutive number. So if I take 5 and 6, okay, what would be the HCF? HCF is going to be 1 when you calculate. If I take 17 and 18, the HCF for this also is going to be 1. Okay. What about the consecutive even number? Suppose if I am taking 4, okay, after 4 the next number which is even is 6. So when I take the HCF of 4 and 6, it comes out to be 2. If you take 2 as the number, the next number which is even after 2 is 4. So 2 and 4 are consecutive even numbers. Their HCF is also 2. If I take 6 and the next number that is 8, the HCF of these two will also be 2. So whenever you are going to take two consecutive even numbers, the HCF is always going to be 2. Clear? The next one is HCF of two consecutive odd numbers. So you take any two consecutive odd numbers, one after the another. Suppose I take 3. After 3, which is the next odd number? 5. So 3 and 5 are consecutive odd numbers. Their HCF is 1. Okay, let's take certain other examples. Suppose you take 17. What would be the next odd number after 17? It would be 19. Yes, they are consecutive odd numbers. What is the HCF for them? HCF is going to be 1 in this case as well. So whenever you will be taking two consecutive odd numbers, your HCF is always going to come out as 1. So when we have two consecutive numbers, HCF is 1. When we have consecutive even numbers, then HCF is always 2. When consecutive odd numbers we take, then HCF is 1. Clear? Moving to the next one, here they are saying HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found to be as follows by factorization. So 4 is 2 into 2 and 15 is 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. No, HCF is the highest common factor, the number which divides these numbers. Okay, so division by 0 is not possible. We cannot call it as the HCF. So this answer is incorrect. Okay, answer is incorrect. Why? Because with 0 division is not possible. I cannot say 0 is factor of some number. Yes, what is HCF? Highest common factor. Factor means the divisor. So it cannot be 0. When we have 2 into 2 as 4 and 15 as 3 into 5, we say there is one common factor, that is 1. Okay, because 2, 2, 3, 5, there is no common factor in them. So we take it as 1. So highest common factor for this will be 1. That would be the correct answer. We don't write it as 0 because division by 0 is not possible and we do not divide any number with 0. It's called undefined. Okay, it's not possible. So 0 cannot be the correct HCF. The correct HCF for such numbers is 1. Clear?